Hello, beautiful being. As we are approaching the end of 2021, I wanted to record this episode saying something important to you, something wise, something that will truly change your life. I reflected on what to say. I meditated on it. I journaled. And then I realized that so many beautiful, powerful, wise, life-changing things have already been said before me, have already been written. And all that I have to do is to find them and share them with you. I did some research and selected this poem by Sunny Berger that resonates deeply with the hearts of so many people. And today I will read it for you. And all what you have to do is simply relax, close your eyes, and allow your soul to speak to you through these words. I can't stay, mother. I love you, but I wasn't born to please you. I wasn't born to make you happy or give your life meaning. I wasn't born to rot under your wings like an unhatched egg. I can't stay, teacher. I wasn't born to be put into your boxes, to think along your lines, or to memorize your facts. I was born to think independently. I can't stay, my love. I wasn't born to satisfy your needs, to take care of you, or to hide in your arms. I wasn't born to make myself smaller or to be taken for granted. I can't stay, boss. I wasn't born to make money for others. I wasn't born to follow orders or to repeat the same day over and over again. I wasn't born for boredom. I can't stay, master. I wasn't born to follow your ideas of what truth is or to live according to your dogmas. I was born to find my own truth and make my own rules. I was born to meet life full on, to get lost on Indian trails, to be seduced by mysterious men, to meet different faces, places, and cultures, to be out in the jungle all night, to run with wolves, to be swept off my feet, to be taken by storm, to be heartbroken, devastated, stunned, shocked, lost, thrown into the deep. I was born to get my hands dirty, to get sand in my mouth, mud on my clothes, thorns under my feet. I was born to jump into the abyss. I was born to meet aliens, to do rituals, to be cracked open in ceremony, to go beyond time and space, to welcome magic, to totally lose myself. I was born to feel everything, to taste everything. The bitter taste of sorrow, the full taste of deceit, the sweet taste of love. I was born to learn how to handle change gracefully. I was born how to know the truth, to learn how to fly. I was born to learn how to speak the language of love, how to unchain my heart, how to shed everything, how to let go of all expectations. I was born to learn how it feels to lose everything except what really matters. I was born to live a life that would strip away everything that wasn't real, that wasn't true, that wasn't me. I am a phoenix. I'm born to spread my wings and fly towards the sun, to burn up and turn to ashes, to fall down to earth and rise up again. When I am old, I will be proud of my scars, my wrinkles, my memories, my stories, my wisdom, my freedom. I was born to be free, and therefore I can't stay. And now, take a deep breath within yourself. Allowing these words to connect with that part of you that truly matters right now at this point of your life. And if something resonates in a way you did not expect it to be, just surrender to it. Listening to the quiet whisper of your own inner wisdom. As we are going into 2022, may this year be a year of abundance, health, love, fulfillment, joy, bliss, realization. May it be the year where you finally realize, embody, and fully manifest your soul purpose in your physical reality, in this reincarnation on planet Earth. Thank you for being here with yourself. My name is Yana, and you are listening to Timeless Teachings podcast. Stay wild and be humble. До встречи!